After taking a break to introduce a 97-year young lady to virtual reality, the team gathers for the final testing and preparation for the evening's events. The local television station shows up to do some early filming, and they themselves are enlisted to do some testing and experiencing of what the students created during the week-long workshop. The moment has arrived for the students to share with their family and friends what they've learned this week and what they've accomplished this week in creating their very first virtual reality experience. Introducing their parents to virtual reality and what they participated in creating this week is clearly a joyous moment for these students. The workshop fills with family and friends, and the civic leaders come out as well to see what the students have accomplished during this week-long workshop. The mayor is guided by two of the instructors and one of the students as he tries on virtual reality for the first time, as does his chief administration officer. After he thanks his instructors, the mayor speaks for all of us gathered here tonight.
Yeah, I'm excited.